Auspicious day for Ukhrul town. After a hiccup, a delay of 4 years, the Ukhrul town water supply, funded by New Development Bank, Shanghai, China, at last is taking off the ground after hiccup and delay of 4 years. The work agency, Choithar, from based in Hyderabad, today they could not come because of the Holy Festival, but the executive engineer, Mr. Them Reishang, Chei, Soting, Ningchui, all the teams are here together with my teams. Today we have come to inspect the settling tank just before us, and behind us is the filtering, and after that is a reservoir tank. The reservoir tank is of 3 lakh liter capacity. The water will be pumped up from Yangyue River. It is 400 meter down below with a pumping station where they will install 100 kV transformer. Then it will be pumped up here in Choithar peak of 6,468 feet. 6,468 feet. The highest point in Ukhrul is 5,900 feet. So there is a difference of about 1,500 feet. So from here it will be supplied water by gravity, and per day they will supply about 9 lakh liter per day. The requirement of water in Ukhrul town, including Humbung, is 20 lakh liter per day. At the moment, from Shirui sources, 3 lakh liter are supplied every day. That is the magnitude of the water crisis in Ukhrul. Against the requirement of 20 lakh liter, we are now able to supply only 3 lakh liter. With the commissioning of this NTB water supply project, which is of 23 crore, they will supply another 9 lakh liter every day. That means about 12 lakh liter will be supplied to Ukhrul and the Humbung once this is commissioned. Of course, there will still be shortage of about 7 to 8 lakh liter. For that, we will try to supply from khngkhui khunao. That is already sanctioned another 23 crore under SASCI. Now, friends, to some extent, the water crisis in Ukhrul will be hopefully solved once this is commissioned. This is what I would like to convey to the people of Ukhrul through you.
Sir, how soon can we expect the completion of this project?
Our target is June 2026. Yes. But this treatment site and the pipe laying up to Ukhrul, though it may be completed, but somehow there will be a time constraint for us for distribution network in Ukhrul town, sir. Ukhrul town is a huge area that distribution, laying of distribution pipes may take some time. So we are trying our best to complete before this June, but yeah, we are hopeful that
date of completion June 2026. That is target given by the Manipur state government. Unfortunately, this work order was terminated in 2023. Then again in 2025 it was revoked. That is how there was a delay, unavoidable delay because of the non-execution by the work agency Choithar based in Hyderabad. It was entirely their fault. That is how. But thank God now, hopefully by June, the water supply for Ukhrul town will be greatly improved. Yeah, thank you.
Will this be included the water tap connection to households or?
Yes, that is a very, very critical point. You know, there are about 8,000 households in Ukhrul town, including Humbung, DC headquarters. Against 8,000 households, at the moment only 2,500 households are connected by pipe. That means another 5,500 households are left to the mercy of nature. So with this commissioning of 9 lakh liter per day, hopefully maybe more than 3,000, 4,000 household family will be connected by pipe, hopefully.